ਟੰਗੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਏ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵਰਗਾ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਲੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਟੰਗੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਏ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵਰਗਾ ਗੱਲ ਬਾਣੀ ਐਂਡ ਛੱਡੀ ਲੱਡਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਅਜਾਵਾਂ ਦੋ ਟਾਈਮ ਜੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਕੱਟਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਟੰਗੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵਰਗਾ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਲੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਟੰਗੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵਰਗਾ
Hi guys, this is Arshi B and this is my first ever YouTube tutorial video. I hope you seen my performance earlier and many of my friends have told me that Bollywood songs, oh, they're amazing and their hook step is phenomenal, but I don't know where to learn it from. So here I am as your friend to teach you the hook step of Bollywood songs. So today we'll be learning the hook step of Illegal Weapon as well as some of the choreographies before and after which I have added. So without further ado, let's go with the video. So let's start with the first step. First is your legs are going back and you're leaning back. Your whole body weight is on your back leg. So it goes 1 and your hands are going through your hair. So 5, 6, 7 go 1. You have to do it together. Okay? So 1 and then legs are 1 and 2 and your hands goes swinging something and this hand will be still here. Do not move this hand. So let's go 1 1 2. Cool? Okay, so 1 1 2 and the next portion is 1. Your left hand is here and your right hand goes 1 and 2. So it comes 1 1 and 2. Along with your hands, your hip will go and you will keep a bent position. Okay, 5 6 7 go 1 in. It goes in, out, in. Ready? 5 6 7 go 1 1 2 and then both of your hands goes 1 2 and then you swing your left leg here and give a thumka. Cool? Let's go again. 5 6 7 go 1 1 2 3 legs and thumka. Okay, so after you give a thumka, then you do any 4 positions, 1 2 whatever. Show your Bollywoodness in you for 4 counts and then again we go with the starting step. Go 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 hips and thumka. Cool? Now next position. You're here, you bring your leg side, twirl your head, show off your hair a bit for 2 rounds, bend and just give a thumka. Okay, you'll give just 1 thumka. So it goes 1 2 and thumka. Cool? Okay, after this you just have to regain your central position again. It's 1, show a bit of posture and attitude and then 2. Okay, so 5 6 7 go. It's 1 and 2, show a bit of attitude. That's what Bollywood is all about. And then you punch your right hand on your left hand like this. Okay, so 5 6 7 go. 1 will be up and the other will be down. You need to bend your legs and your left leg will be on the air. 5 6 7 go 1 2. Okay, 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 and after this you're gonna come here and 1 2. You are going to circle your hands twice and your legs will also circle with it. show a bit of attitude, and then comes the voice of the guns. So it will be 1, 2. Alright? After then comes the main hook step of illegal weapon, if you see the video. So it's after this 1, 2, hit, fist your hands, hit, and then wave your body with your hands. Your hands are coming down and then your body is waving. So let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wait. You're not doing this, you're just doing it down. 1, 2. After this, it's use both of your hands to touch your neck. So you're gonna hold it and then pause. And then the same step again. Alright, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then hit, and 1, 2, and then bring your guns again. Hit, hit. You're gonna hit 1, and then when you hit twice, it will be done. Okay, guys, now let's do the music. I know you can do it. Just put on your dancing shoes and just follow my lead. It's really
आँख सुर में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। आँख सुर में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। खुद ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया, ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया। तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा, मुंडियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख जाए। मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार वर्गा, मुंडियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख जाए। मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार वर्गा।
If you really like my tutorial video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon. Show some love to me, and I promise I'll be posting more fun Bollywood hook step videos. Anybody can do it, be it beginner, be it anybody. Anybody can try it at their home, and it's very easy, trust me. As well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat. I'll mention the IDs in the link description as well as in the next page. Show some love, and anybody who tries my tutorial and tag me on the Instagram, I'll be reposting those stories. Thank you so much. So toodles.